in between, some planting in between, my people. A lot of pineapple, my viewers. Yes, my people, this is a lovely one, all right? Yeah, pineapple. But it is all about red peas, mostly red peas. My people. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I'm here at a wonderful farm right here in Hyde, Clarkstown, Trelawney. And yeah, I'm about to show you, my people, my viewers, all the stuff that is on the farm here, all right? So stick around, don't touch that dial, and please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because if you're not going to see the next video coming out, all right?
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, it's all about Mr. sAFarm. Yeah? There's a lot of pine here. There's a lot of pineapple.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn.
There's a lot of pineapple, my viewers.
We are plant sweet
yeah.
Pepper, we are plant pear yam. Ready, we ready. Ready, we ready.
Yes, my people.
Ready,
This is a lovely one. Alright? Yeah, pineapple. Pineapple on the farm, my people.
Big and broad, Jamaican farmers hut gone abroad. We are moved from hut to hut, banana start to ripe at time to get good.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, we are here at the Scotch bonnet. Yeah, the Scotch bonnet. As you can see, there's no drought here because the hose. What is the name of this thing? The dripper? Yeah, the drip hose. The drip hose is here at the Scotch bonnet, so you know, drought can't be here. Yeah, we have some planting along the line here. Yeah, as you can see, there's planting right around. There's some okra over there. Yeah, my viewers, we have planting along the line here. Right along the line, we have planting. So Mr. C is not joking with farming, all right? Yeah, Scotch bonnet, my people. Scotch bonnet. Okay, we have some yellow yam here. Have some yellow yam here, my people. Recently plant. We have red peas here on the farm. Yeah. Okay, yeah. As you can see, my people, just start to weed out the yellow yam. All right. Here we have some beautiful corn here. God, some beautiful corn here, my people. And we also have planting along the line, right down to the end of the corn. Alright, my people, lovely corn, lovely corn, my people. Okay, we have ginger over here. Right, the ginger just start to weed out. Yeah. Okay, my viewers, ginger. Yeah. As you can see, we have ginger here. We have ginger here, my people. Yeah, lovely ginger. Right? Yeah, it's all ginger here. Yes, my people. We are in the farm with Mr. Blacks. Yeah, he's putting the vine of the yam, the yellow yam, on stick for it to run up, you know. Also weeding out, yeah. Yes, Mr. Black, you know, the master of the farm, you know. Yeah. So Mr. Black, how long you have been working here, sir?
Good, I work with Mr. C, you know, we move about 30 years, you know.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. As I can see, the farm is beautiful, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, you do a good work on it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Get to understand that there's planting plant of every
Yeah,
crops.
planting,
Yeah, planting right around every crops.
around.
Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Okay, Mr. Blacks.
Blessing,
Manners
everything.
and respect, yeah.
Everything.
Alright.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant sweet pepper, we a plant pear yam. Ready, we ready, ready, we ready. Ready, 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 ready like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican farmers out gone abroad. We a move from hut to hut. Banana start to ripe, a time to get cut. Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. As you can see, I'm leaving out from Mr. C Farm. Yeah, you have a lovely farm here, you know what I mean? Yeah, you have a lovely walkway also. Alright? So my people, on this farm we have all kind of plants here. We have corn, we have okra, we have red peas, we have yellow yam, we have cabbage, you know what I mean? Everything is here on this farm. It's a lovely farm, alright? My people, my viewers and subscribers, so please remember to see the next video you have to subscribe. Alright? So remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright? Because if you don't hit the bell, you're not going to see the next video coming out, my people. Mr. C Farm, Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Ready, we ready and a gone, we gone. We a plant sweet pepper, we a plant pear yam. Ready, we ready, ready, we ready. Ready, 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 ready like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican farmers hut gone abroad. We a move from hut to hut. Banana start to ripe, a time to get cut. Jamaican Farmers Hut.